On the side of the machine of the Brother 1034D Serger, you'll notice you actually have 3 dials. In this video, we're going to concentrate on what stitch length is all about. And the easiest way to run yourself a little sample is to start by turning the stitch length all the way to its longest setting, which will be 4. 4 is actually 4 millimeters long. 3 has kind of the good return back to a normal setting because it's dark. I usually stitch around 2.5, so somewhere between 2 and 3 is a good stitch length for a lot of just medium weight fabrics. And then R, when we do a rolled hem, we'll stitch at a shorter stitch length for a prettier finished edge. So by starting at 4 and putting your fabric underneath, go ahead and notice how much faster the fabric goes through. You'll want a longer stitch length when you're working with thicker fabrics. So if you're serging along and you notice that all these stitches are really close together because they're on a thick fabric, like a couple pieces of fleece, you're going to use up a lot of thread. Plus you might feel like you're having to push it through to keep it going. All you need to do is put it to the longer stitch length. At 3, and at 2, I'm just changing it while I'm going here. Now on a 4th thread, when I get down to its lowest setting, this doesn't look very good, but when we are using it for other stitches like a rolled hem, that's when you'll want the shortest stitch length. So I'm going to just put it back to kind of a normal setting, and you can see the difference, and it really does, it kind of piles up and it makes the stitches look really not as smooth as it should be. But that's just because a 4th thread isn't traditionally used on that shortest stitch length. So long stitch right at the beginning here goes really fast. 3, 2.5, that's kind of my happy favorite one. And then as it gets really close, that's not so great. So find that happiness. What you're looking for is that when you open it up, that it really holds the seam together